finished all of my decreases. I'm now down to 3 stitches and I'm ready to start the I-cord loop so that I can hang my cloths on a hook. So the first thing I do is take my double point needle, DPN, which is 3.25mm, and slip those 3 stitches onto that, put the other needle away, and then turn my work so that the working yarn is coming from that 3rd stitch or the back stitch there and at the back of my work. So I'll just move that yarn around and pick up the other DPN, and we're going to knit those 3 stitches, but the working yarn is coming from the back. So just knit those like you normally would, 2, 3, and then slide them down to the other end of your DPN. Hold that in your left hand, take the other needle in your right hand. So once again the working yarn is coming from that last stitch and at the back of our work, and then knit those 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, slide them down to the other end of our DPN. So the working yarn is coming from the back and the 3rd stitch. In our left hand we have this, hold the stitches, and we knit those 3 again, and we just repeat this process. And what this does is knits like a little tube, and then knit it to the length that you can see the start of it there. So knit it to the length that you require, and then just loop it and stitch, cast off, sorry, first, loop it and then stitch it down in the corner there, and you'll have a groovy loop. So knit 3 again, whoops, slide them down, it's coming from the back of my work, knit 3, and just, oops, keep going. In the pattern we say about 7 centimeters of your I-cord. So you can see there it's a nice tidy little tube, and I've got a couple of other cloths which have the finished loop. I'll just grab those. So here they are. So that's 1 and 2. So I have just knitted the I-cord and then cast it off and just stitched it down at the back there, and you have the loop. Perfect.